Hey guys, are you looking for a crash course in internet marketing? If so, I've got some great news for you. I have several courses that I have available, and I'm just opening up the Get a Clue Classroom membership site to a few people that are interested in making money online and learning how to do that. Hi, my name is David Deek. I'm the creator and host of the Get a Clue Marketing Show, and I teach people how to market their product themselves and their businesses online, okay? Now, I put together several different courses that you can get under the Get a Clue Classroom, okay? These members, these students, all are going to learn step by step on how to make internet wealth, okay? I've been doing it for years, and I realize that it takes time to learn, but what I did was condense everything. I talk about the mistakes that I've gone through, and I help people. I tell them my mistakes so that they don't have to make the same ones. Some of them are really costly, but there's so many people out there trying to be the next YouTube star or the Facebook celebrity, and I'm here to tell you it's going to take time. But if you're willing to learn this stuff, you're willing to learn about video production or learn how to make your own music, or you just want to brand yourself, you want to know how to advertise online, you want to know how to market to people online, then you definitely want to join the Get a Clue Classroom. On the other side of this video, you can sign up. There's a sign up page. All you have to do is click on the link. There's a video there to tell you in depth what's in the Get a Clue Classroom, okay? So anyway, this is David Deek. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that you can show other people that are in your situation as well and help them out. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.